when it comes to brain anatomy, the brains of men and women just aren't that different, if they're different at all. If we look at a brain, we cannot tell who it came from, okay? So that's something really important for us to realize as we go back to what Eve was talking about earlier with the idea of being able to judge the quality and the capabilities of a race of people or a whole group of people based on that wet, squishy blob. Absolutely not. That is not possible with the brains of men and women, okay? So we need to make sure that that is very, very clear. What we do know is that there are some hormonal differences, right? Okay? We have some lovely stuff. Yeah, I tend to pace, so that's good. We have some lovely stuff called estrogen and progestin. Awesome. Sorry, the women in the room do. Okay, so that particular hormone, when it gets up into your brain and starts affecting your thought processes and your emotions and things that you want to do, it does tend to push us toward the caring and community side. Okay? So women tend to be a little bit more on the communal, linguistic, compassionate, nurturing side. That's a hormonal difference, not a brain structure difference. Okay? On the other side, whoops, wow, you're trigger happy. On the other side, we've got testosterone. Now, testosterone promotes competition, independence, all of that good stuff, right? Men and women have both of those. Okay? Women have testosterone, men have estrogen and progestin, and we all have them in varying amounts. Not only that, but we're exposed to them at varying levels within the womb. Okay, so that's been an area of study that we've focused on a little bit with regard to autism research. Higher levels of testosterone exposure in the womb seem to be correlated with higher rates of autism. Autism is more prevalent in our male population, so we think there might be a hook there, a connection there between levels of testosterone and autism. Not to say that that's the answer, but there is a connection, okay? Likewise, on that other side, people with higher levels of estrogen and progestin, estrogen in particular, seem to have higher rates of depression, okay? So there are these hormonal differences that definitely influence how our brain functions,